In this tutorial I will show you how to fix crackling laptop speakers. Crackling or distorted laptop speakers can be really frustrating, but there are a few simple fixes you can try to solve the problem. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the Start menu on Windows and go to Settings. Scroll down on the left-hand side and select Windows Update. If an update is available, install it. Updates often fix audio driver issues, so this might solve the problem right away. If the issue continues, use the search bar at the bottom of your screen to open Device Manager. Expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section, then find your speakers in the list. Right-click them and select Update Driver. Choose the option for an automatic search, and if an update is found, install it. Another fix involves adjusting your sound settings. Open the Start menu and select Settings. Then search Speakers. Select More Sound Settings. Under the Playback tab, find your speakers, right-click, and select Properties. At the top, go to the Advanced tab. Here, try disabling audio enhancements by checking the Disable Enhancements option. Click Apply, then OK, and test your sound again. With these steps, checking for Windows updates, updating your audio drivers, and disabling audio enhancements, you'll often be able to fix crackling or distorted laptop speakers quickly.